guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how to make easy mug pizza. For this you will need bread cubes, ketchup, mozzarella cheese and a mug. First you need to put some bread cubes in the mug. And then you need to put the ketchup in. And then you need to mix it well. Now it's mixed, and now put mozzarella cheese on top. It's ready to be put in the oven. I'll put it for 1.5 minutes. Almost over. It's really hot right now, so I'll show you how it. It's hot and ready to be served. See you all next time. Goodbye. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.